Before it reaches trembling hands in a dusty shop, every dollar hides a secret.
Hidden beneath the surface, a pink thread glows like magic. A secret only light can reveal.
But this note's story begins here, in a vault where billions wait to be born. With every cut of the blade, a new note is born. Paper dust rises like gold. Under tons of pressure, green ink becomes flesh and bone. A portrait rises from paper. Only the purest cotton and finest linen survive. Everything else is rejected. 75% cotton, 25% linen. The secret recipe of American money. From liquid to solid, fibers lock together, and currency paper is born.
Heat and pressure transform wet pulp into the strongest paper on Earth.
Before the ink dries, a face appears. Born from pressure, visible only to light. A polymer thread woven into the paper's soul. It will glow pink under UV light. Perfect precision. Every sheet cut to exact size, ready for the press.
Tons of pressure forced ink deep into paper. Feel that texture? That's real money.
Layer by layer, color builds. Green, gold, peach, plember. A palette no counterfeit can copy.
Words so small they disappear. Only a microscope reveals the secret message. Copper to green. Tilt the note, watch it change. A color no printer can match. Every bill gets a unique identity, a number that belongs to no other note. Cameras that never blink. Every note inspected against perfection. Trained eyes, white gloves. The final judgment before billions are released. One final cut. A sheet becomes 100 individual bills. Plastic straps secure the brick. Ready for the vault.
40 bricks per pallet. $4 million on a wooden platform.
Wrapped and sealed. Protected for the journey ahead. Inside the vault, billions wait, ready to enter the world. Every pallet tracked. Every bill accounted for. Randall audits ensure perfection. Only then, the currency is ready.
From the vault, pallets emerge, destined for banks across the nation.
Armored trucks, armed guards. America's money moves with maximum security.
Gates open. The convoy rolls. Billions of dollars head to the American people.
Across highways, under guard. America's money flows to where it's needed.
The Federal Reserve, where currency meets commerce.
Unloaded, verified, secured, ready to serve the economy.
Inside the bank vault. Ready for the tellers? Ready for you.
From vault to teller, cash ready for the morning rush.
Thank you.
And finally, into your hands. The journey of American currency, complete.
We return to where we began. A mother, a shop, a dollar.
The note exchanges hands again, this time for medicine.
Thank you.
More than paper, more than ink. It's hope in the hands of those who need it.
From factory to family, bank to shop, the cycle never stops. Behind every note, a worker. Pride in every print. Technology protects every note. Counterfeiters can't compete.
From cotton to cash, from factory to family. This is American currency. Every dollar tells a story. This is how billions are made, every single day.
The blue ribbon, woven into paper, tilt it, and the bells move.
Copper to green. A color shift that defies copying. Words too small for the naked eye. Only magnification reveals the truth. Run your finger across. Feel the raised printing. That's the mark of authenticity.
Security straps with hidden text. Another layer of protection. UV, infrared, optical sensors. Every security feature checked at once.
Approved. The stamp that says this currency is ready for the world.
Approved bundles enter the packaging line. Automation takes over. Shrink wrap seals each bundle. Protection for the journey ahead.
Ten bundles, perfectly aligned. A brick of $100,000.
Every brick gets a unique label. Barcodes track them from vault to bank.
40 bricks per pallet. $4 million, ready for shipment.
Stretch wrap secures the pallet. Protection for the journey ahead. Shipping labels with barcodes. Every pallet tracked from here to the bank. Staged and ready. Millions of dollars wait for the journey to America's banks.
Armored trucks, armed guards. America's money moves with maximum security. Multiple trucks, escort vehicles. A convoy designed for maximum protection.
Gates open. The convoy rolls. Billions of dollars head to American banks.
Across highways, under guard. Currency flows to where it's needed most.
The Federal Reserve, where currency meets the banking system.
Unloaded, scanned, verified. Currency enters the bank's secure vault.
Inside the bank vault. Ready for the tellers, ready for America.
From vault to teller, cash ready for the morning rush.
From the factory to your hands, American currency serving America.
From factory to family, billions of dollars powering the American dream. From cotton to cash, from factory to family, this is the journey.
It begins in American fields. Cotton and linen, grown on American soil. Skilled American workers, pride in every print, every cut, every note.
Watermark, ribbon, color shift, microprint. Unbreakable security.
Billions printed daily. The scale of American currency is unmatched.
The world's most trusted currency. Accepted everywhere, respected everywhere.
200 years of trust. American currency, enduring through history.
Constant innovation.
The future of American currency is being built today.
More than paper. More than ink. American currency is a symbol of trust.
Every dollar tells a story. This is how billions are made. Every single day. Made in America.